मॉर्निंग गाइस। आज मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल डे है बिकॉज आज मुझे एज अ चीफ गेस्ट इनवाइट किया है पनवेल साइकिलिंग क्लब ने। तो ये सेकेंड टाइम हो रहा है। लास्ट ईयर सेम मंथ में संतोष सर ने मुझे पार्टी गिल्स में बुलाया था एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करने। हेलो। तो अभी एक रनर दिखे, सत्या सर। तो इनके साथ मैंने BRM किया था। अराउंड 80 प्लस रजिस्ट्रेशन है। बहुत सारे साइकिलिस्ट आने वाले। कबीर सर भी है, उनका नाम तो सुना ही होगा आप लोगों ने। लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज। सुपर एक्साइटेड।
So we have lot of stalwarts today. So next one is very special. So he has done 2 SR on single speed bike. He has done 20 plus Borgat rides actually. He has done 5 loops of Borgat actually. 1.2 loop of Matheran. He has done 574 pull-ups in one go. So there is an interesting story why I called him here. So I met him in one of the early morning ride. So I checked him कि भाई किधर जा रहा है. So he said बोरघाट जा रहा है. So I checked his bike. तो पीछे एक ही गियर था. मैंने भाई आपने बोरघाट किया है ना इसके पहले? बोला हाँ सर मैं 2 बार गया हूँ. And that day he did non-stop बोरघाट ride. So guys, big round of applause for one and only Rahul Damiwal.
Cycling Club and Sudhir sir, Arun sir for giving me this opportunity to share my experience, because this is the situation where I am not used to it. So last year in the same month, Santosh sir gave me this opportunity to share my experience. So every time I used to be on the opposite side, but if I am standing here, that means my work has impacted, and really happy for that. So I'll quickly introduce myself, and so my name is Rahul Damiwal. I stay in Belapur. So the journey of cycling began in I always wanted to get a bicycle when I was in Chembur. So at that time the locality was not that good where my parents can give me a cycle, because there people used to steal the cycle. So when I shifted in Belapur, so I got my first cycle when I was in 9th or 10th standard. So I used to commute to my school, colleges. So in colleges my friend used to bring bikes, cars, but I was the one who was still riding on the cycle, and every day 5 to 10 kilometer. So I never feel ashamed of that, like my friends are traveling by bike or car, and I am traveling by cycle. So because I was loving that part, so just wanted to spread this message, like if you should always focus on like what makes you happy. If the cycling made me happy, so that's why I was commuting to school on cycle. So I never said to my parents that my friends are going on bike, I also want bike. No, I never did that. So you should also focus what makes you happy, and you should follow that. So after that, the best thing happened in 2018 when Decathlon Sports Shop came near my locality. It was close to my house only. So my mom saved money for my cycle, and she gifted me on 16th June 2018. So that was single speed only. And then on 17th June, that was on my birthday, I did first ride on Marine Drive. So the journey of long distance ride started from there. So on that single speed cycle, I rode that cycle for 3 years, and I covered I guess 3,000 kilometer. And on that cycle, I rode 3 to 4 century rides. I did Borgat. At that time, I never did Borgat non-stop. Did Matheran also, then Alibag, like that. So that cycle got stolen from Belapur station. That was the heartbreaking part for me. And then maybe that was a sign that I have to upgrade myself. So in August 2021, I bought another single speed cycle from my own money. So I did my first ride in August 2021 to Marine Drive. So while riding, I reached Mankur, and I was thinking like I was been riding from last 1 hour, and I cannot find a single cyclist on the road. And then suddenly I saw a cyclist. So he manages a group. My plan was to go to the Marine Drive, but he took me to the ceiling because the group plan was to go to the ceiling. So we went there, and then he was telling that this year I will be completing 10,000 kilometers. So at that time I was like, how can someone like cycle for 10,000 kilometers? And he also introduced me to BRMs, like we have to cover 200 kilometers, 300, 400, 600 kilometers in specific time limit. You get SR title. So I was like, no, there is no chance of doing such distances on cycle. So I got to know about BRM from that guy in August 2021. Then I did my first BRM in Feb 2022 on single speed. Then 300 kilometer in the next week. And then after that, there is a BRM called Centenary BRM, for which we get special medal. So I have already done the 300 kilometer from Mumbai Wanderers, and then that guy who introduced me to BRM said we get special medal for this, so let's go for it. So I said I have already done one 300 kilometer, so there is no point of doing one more. So I will get special medal. Let's go. So I registered for that route as well. It was from NMKC Kashidwala route, and then I did second 300 also. So अभी ऑलरेडी एक 300 हो गया, then 2 300 हो गया सर. सो माई प्लान वॉज टू डू 1 SR ऑन सिंगल स्पीड, बट अभी 2 300 हो गया था, तो इट गेव मी अ साइन कि लाइक अभी तुझे 2 SR करना है सिंगल स्पीड पे. तो फिर वो सेकंड SR वो 300 सेंटिनरी BRM ने चेंज कर दिया पूरा सीन. देन 400 किया, 400 देन अगेन 2 600 ऑन सिंगल स्पीड. So yeah, I have done double SR on single speed in 1 calendar year. That is the big achievement so far for me. And yeah, so the name of that guy is Ajinkya Chaskar. He is from the pedal tribe group Chembur. So whatever I am today is because of him. He has a great contribution to developing me. And also my neighbor, she stays in my society next to my house. Her name is Deepa Churi. She also introduced me to BRM, helped me a lot. So whatever I am today is because of those two peoples. And mentioned by the Arun sir, I met him on the one ride. So we were just riding, and then he asked me like, where are you going? I said Borghat. And then later on he checked that it's a single speed cycle. So that's how we met Arun sir. And then after that, yeah, the major achievement on single speed cycle is double SR. Then I rode 13 times Borghat, that too non-stop on single speed. And I did Mathiran also, many rides. So I have completed 106 rides on that cycle and covering 9,800 kilometers. So I am still to cover 10,000 kilometers on that, because road bike came into picture and I am not riding like single speed now. So in March 2023, I got my road bike. I wanted to upgrade on it, so took that in second hand, and now I've been upgrading myself and riding road bike. So recently did like my major personal record on Borghat is did 5 on 15th August. Like I have always wanted to do something special on my birthdays. I've been doing this from last 3 to 4 years. I always achieve create personal record on my birthdays, 26th January or 15th August or New Year. So these are the 4 days on which I always create something special. Yeah, that's all I have. And what made me achieve this, like riding, achieving 2 SR on single speed is a great achievement, and not everyone can do it. So I used to get only one day, like Sunday only I used to ride for long distance like 100 kilometers. But on other days I used to train other exercises like calisthenics. So calisthenics is a bodyweight training where we use our own body weight to work out. For example, basics, pull-ups, push-ups, squats, dips. So I used to train that from so long. So that helped me. Along with that, I also do skipping, then running also. So if you want to achieve, if you want to go to that height in cycling, so apart from cycling, you should also focus on strength training, which most of the riders who have reached till that level, they have been not only cycling but also focusing on other aspects. So that's the message I want to say. And to the youngsters, so start cycling, and yeah, keep like you can learn from so many people. We have good opportunity to meet good people. So yeah, that's it from my end. Thank you.
to felicitate Rahul. We'd like to call him on stage.
Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young one, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Thank you, Rahul.
Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in a better day. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in a better day. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place.